Good morning, grade 10 Virginians. Today we're going to discuss the introduction of your topic in Mathematics 10. So listen carefully. So I'm going to discuss the essential topics or the essential explanation of your summative and formative assessment. So let's start. So let us begin our discussion for today on how are we going to find the general term of the following sequence. When you say general term, is synonymous with finding the formula on how this sequence came into it. Let's say in number 1, we have sequence 3, 12, 27, 48, and 75. Now, the first thing to do is to find the differences of that numbers. So we have here 3, 12, 27, 48, and 75. Take note that this will be your a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and a sub 5. So it means that these are the order of the sequences. Now, then we get what we call the difference, the common difference of these numbers. So 12 minus 3 is 9. Then 27 minus 12 is 15. 48 minus 27 is 21. And then 48 or 75 minus 48, and that is how many? 27, right? So you see here that in the first difference, they're not equal. So sa unang difference, they're 9, 15, 21, and 27. Now, let's try again get the second difference. So 9 minus 15 is 6, 21 minus 15 is 6, and 27 minus 21 is 6. So can you recall in our previous mathematics, in our previous discussion in mathematics in your grade 9, we can say that this type of equation, if it is a linear equation, equal difference in x produce equal difference in y. Since it produces equal difference in the second difference, so it means that this type of sequence is what we call a quadratic. Okay, so let's try. So let's say your a sub 1 is 3. So kung quadratic yan, ibig sabihin it should have what we call a square. So if it is 3, then we put here let's say 1, the first one, diba? Yan. So it gives us 3 here, correct? If this first let's say this is 1, first number. Now second, a sub 2. Again, we have here 3. And this 3, then 2, kasi pangalawang term na yan. Square. So this is 3 times 4, and this is 12. Okay, yeah? Now, a sub 3. A sub 3. A sub 2, we have here 3, and then 3, and then 3 ulit, and square. So we have here 3. So this is 9. So this is 27. Okay, do you follow? Now for the last term, for 48, so a sub 4. We have here 3, then this is 3, then 4, square. So we have here 3, then 16. So this is 48. So you see the pattern? Okay, so so what will be your formula? What will be your general term? So based on this type of equations, ito yung nagbabago yung part na yan. And ito yung part na yan. So ibig sabihin, this is, we're going to get an example here. We have here 3x squared. So therefore, your general term to this is 3x squared. So that is your general term. So let's say in this example, we have 1 half, 3 halves, 5 halves, and 7 halves. So we can easily see here the patterns of your sequence. So equal difference in x produce equal difference in y. So it means it's a linear equation or a linear formula. So let's say we have here 1 half as our a sub 1. Okay, so this is, we add here plus 0. So it gives us 1 half. Now, what a sub 2? The a sub 2 is 1 half ulit. Then plus 1. Or shall we say, gawin natin itong 1. 1. Tapos ito magiging 2. So this will gives us, if you to add this one, we have here 1 and 1/2. So this is 3/2. So ito na yun. Next, if this is 2, so this will becomes 2 and 1/2. So this will becomes, if we're going to make this an improper fraction, it will becomes 5/2. What about a sub 3? A sub 3. Now, let's say we have here 1/2 plus 3. So it will gives us 3 and 1/2, and it gives also 7/2. So what will be your pattern? Okay, your pattern should be, ito yung nagbabago, no? So this will be the changeable thing. So if we're going to state your formula or your general term, it should be 1/2 plus x. Kasi x dyan yung nagbabago to create what we call a perfect sequence or to follow the sequence we have here. So this will be your general term. This is. So 1/2 plus x. Let us explain this given. So our given is find the 15th term of the sequence 7, 13, 19, 25, and 31. Now, it is we should have to identify first if the given is geometric or arithmetic sequence. If it is an arithmetic sequence, it will give you an equal difference. So let's have subtract 13 minus 7 is 6, 19 minus 13 is 6, 25 minus 19 is 6, and 31 minus 25 is 6. So it is common difference. Common difference is 6. So therefore, it is a arithmetic sequence. Now, remember our formula. Our formula for arithmetic sequence is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n, quantity n minus 1 times d. So get first the given. So our a sub 1, of course, the first term, 7, and what is the term that we're looking for? That's 15. And d, we have what we call the common difference of this sequence. So let us pattern those given to the general formula. So our a sub 15 is equals to 7 plus 7 is our first term, then 15 is the term that we're looking for, minus 1, and d, 6 is the common difference of the sequence. So further solving, we have 7 plus, subtract 15 minus 1 is 14, then multiplied by 6. So 7, then 14 times 6 is 84, and then add 7 plus 84, and that is 91. So therefore, our 15th term of the sequence, given the sequence, is 91. And let's have this problem now, which is, the question goes like this. Which term is 36 in the sequence 1, 8, 15, 22, and 29? So, we're going to find the 6 terms, or what is that? 36. Pag ilang terms kaya yung 36 na yan? So, we're going to use this or solve this using the general formula for the arithmetic sequence. We have your a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 and d. But before that, we're going to get first the essential part of the given. So our a sub 1 here is 1. Now the common difference, get the common difference. So 8 minus 1 is 7, 15 minus 8 is 7, 22 minus 15 is 7. So our d is 7. So take note that we're looking for n. So that's unknown. And 36 there is our a sub n. It's 36. Okay. So let's go substitute this given to the formula. So we have here 36 is equals to a sub 1 is 1 plus quantity n is unknown minus 1, then d is 7. So that is, this is 36 is equals to 1 plus 7n minus 7. So this is 36 is equals to, subtract this 1, negative 6, then plus 7n. Then transpose negative 6 to the other side. So this is 36 plus 6. So this becomes 7n, and this is 42 is equals to 7n. Then divide both sides by 7. Yan. So this is 6 and this is n. So therefore, 36 is the 6 terms of our sequence. This given sequence is 1, 8, 15, 22, 29. So let's check. The common difference is 7. If we're going to add 7 to 29, so this is automatically 36. So the 36 daw is pang 6 term. Let's count. It's pang 6 siya. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.